Have you ever been on the farm or in the garage and had to stop because of a rusted tool? Or been interrupted because of a long hardware trip you had to take to buy a harsh chemical? Hi, I'm Olivia Taylor, and my project is to turn rust into dust. I'm from Felicity-Franklin, Ohio. The first step in the scientific method that I learned during this project was to create a question. My question was, will CLR or lemon juice remove the rust? The second step is for literature research, which is to find a similar project to mine. I found a guy named Midnight Barbershop who tested other household items like lemon juice, and he found that lemon juice worked the best as well. Andrea Vaughn tested other household items on kitchenware that had rusted, and she found that lemon juice and vinegar worked the best. Hypothesis is the third step in the scientific method that I learned. If oxidized nails are soaked in lemon juice and CLR, lemon juice will remove the most rust. My independent variable was lemon juice and CLR. My dependent variable was how much rust was removed from the nails. My control was a nail only exposed to air. My constants were the type and brand of nails I used, the amount of liquid, the time each nail was in the liquid, and the type of mason jar I used. For my project, I had 7 mason jars, 3 filled with CLR and 3 filled with lemon juice, and 1 filled with only air. I would set them on a paper towel to dry at 0, 24, and 48 hours, and then I would weigh them and put them back in the jars again. For my results, I found that lemon juice removed 0.13 grams, and CLR only removed 0.07 grams of rust. I also judged them on a quality rating scale from 2 to -2, 2 being increased in 50% quality and -2 being a decrease in 50% quality. Lemon juice performed better on the scale, placing a 2 on all 3 of the trials, and CLR only placed a 2 on 2 out of the trials. My conclusions were that both rust removers removed rust in all 3 trials, but lemon juice was the most effective on removing rust without damaging any part of the nail. My limitations during this project were my time period. If I had a longer time, I would be able to see how much the CLR ended up damaging the nail. And the amount of nails I had was also a limitation because if I had more, I would be able to have a higher validity in the project. This project has an importance to ag because it will save people time from running to the hardware store. It will save people money on buying harsh products to remove chemicals, and it will also refurbish rusted equipment that you otherwise would have thrown away. So there is no need to run to the hardware store. All you need to do is go to the fridge and grab lemon juice. Thank you.